Hello, my name is Megan, and I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the West Bloomfield Township Public Library, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about Brainfuse. So to access Brainfuse, you will want to go to our website, which is westbloomfieldlibrary.org, and then from there, you will click eLibrary and Databases on the left, and then the B for Brainfuse, and you will scroll down to Brainfuse Help Now. Now, it will usually ask for your library card information, but since I already logged in, it's not going to do that right now. So once you're all logged in, it'll look like this. This is their homepage. It's easiest if you create an account on here, which I've already done, but the account just allows you to submit questions after hours and get feedback on things like papers and such. So it's a really good idea once you log in with your library card information and you're on Brainfuse to create an account for yourself just to make things a little bit easier. So Brainfuse is available daily from 2 to 11 p.m. and it's available with your West Bloomfield Library card, and it helps kids in elementary school all the way up to high school. It offers live homework help from those hours 2 to 11 p.m. It's also available in Spanish, which is really cool. And it offers skill building lessons. You can get feedback, analysis on essays, writing assignments, and it offers help for reading, writing, math, science, and social studies. So really, it helps you do so much. So let's explore. So live tutoring, you would click over here, and then you can click your grade level, which is really neat, and then your what subject you would like, and you can even click here if you would like it in Spanish. Now right now it's not in the hours, so it won't take me there, but see, so since I'm not on there during the 2 to 11 p.m., but it lets you know that you can submit questions by clicking the send question link and following the instructions, and they'll get back to you within 24 hours. So that's another reason you'd want to have an account, because then it would notify you that you would get that answer. So right here on the right, my account, my message center, the message center is where you would receive the answer for whatever you submitted. So let's go back to the home page and try the writing lab. So you can attach your document for them. It's probably easiest to do it from the computer and then to click upload, because then you can just select any document from your computer. And then you can add comments. So like anything you think would be useful to the person reading it, like third grade, social studies, history paper, and then your subject, just to like give them a little bit of background. And then you just click that blue submit button, and then like I said before, like under your account, you would just check the message center for the answer and the analysis on your paper for any suggestions. And it's usually 24 hours or 1 business day. So if you submit it on a weekend, it might take a little longer. So let's go back to the home page and let's try Skill Surfer. So we will go to elementary school, and this offers like different assessments and skill building for elementary students in Michigan. This one is like 3rd grade through 5th grade, and it's a variety of subjects. Let's try 4th grade reading. So by clicking that, it gives us a bunch of different test quizzes and tests. It also gives different like reading skills, so like learning the author's purpose, learning about characters, drawing conclusions. So this is just a really great way to build some skills for specific grade levels and specific areas. So back to the home page, let's try send question. So send question is what you would want to do if you wanted live advice and it was not in between the hours of 2 and 11 p.m. So this is how you would submit your question. You would do your grade level, the subject, the question, or if you had like a document and like a explanation, you could do that. And then click submit, and then the answer will be in the message center for you. So let's go back to the home page once more, and we will try the language lab. So you can connect with a language tutor for help in your foreign language classes. Right now it's only for Spanish, but you can get live help for foreign language, which is really neat. And you can also do vocabulary building with quizzes, flashcards. It'll give you some pronunciations, and you could just start that right there. See, and then, so if you have other friends using Brainfuse, you can even meet with them, which is really neat. So if like you guys are doing a class project or something and you all have your library card information and your accounts on here, you can create a meeting. So it's just like a really great way to work together and all be on the same platform. So let's go back to our home page. And now we will look at study. So LEAP Learning Platform. And actually that is more for high school, so we really don't need that for what we're working on. So for the elementary age, you would really want to stick with this left-hand side, the expert help and everything under here. And then on the right-hand side, you'd want to do the collaborate if you wanted to meet with other people who are using this platform. And that is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope Brainfuse helps on your new academic year.